Independence Day, me Sian
and me Kasha
from Creative Seas, we are going to make these National Indian caps.
So, my paper is durable and wearable that looks great.
For this activity, we need stapler, glue, scissors, some strips of green and orange papers
and chart paper. So, let's start.
Fold it in half and crease it properly. Now make a 1-inch fold and crease it. Open the fold, take the first flap, fold it on the line. Flip it and fold the same way. It should look like this. Fold it in half from one end to the other. Once you have done this, open it and take one flap, make a triangle. Exactly from the center. Do the same for the other. Flip it over and again fold. Make sure these two folds line up so that they create symmetry. Next, you can see two flaps, right? Take the first flap and fold it. Make sure the next fold is in such a way that both the ends are touching both the points. Flip it. Now, depending on the size of your head, big or small, create folds on both sides. Then fold it till here. Then make another fold on these 2 points. Then notice these flaps. These are like 2 pockets. Now unfold it and tuck it in this way. Then what's left is to staple it. Then use a stapler and staple on both the sides. And we are done. Now what's left is to decorate it. Now glue green and orange strips accordingly. And that finishes our cap. This is also called Gandhi cap, Nehru cap or Indian national cap. Hope you all like this activity and do try this hat. And this is Independence Day special.